Hello to all of you. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to convert continuous variable into categorical variable. Basically, when we are collecting the data, it happens that some of the variables are collected in the continuous form. For example, number of cigarettes a person is smoking in a day. Now, we cannot ask any person that are you a chain smoker or a heavy smoker. Now, after collecting this data, that is how many cigarettes a person smokes in a day. After collecting this data, we want to segregate this data into light smokers, medium smokers, heavy smokers, or chain smokers. Or we want to convert the weight of the individuals into slim, obese, fat. So we want to categorize, or rather, we want to convert the continuous variable into categorical. Now, how we can do this? Let's see in Python. First of all, I'll bring this data set Titanic. It's a very popular data set which is available on Kaggle. I'll download it. I'll install the pandas and numpy, and then I'll be using the command line df is equal to pd.read underscore csv, and I'll bring the file in Python environment. Shift enter. Now I'll have to specify the condition for categorization. So I'm specifying tmp underscore condition. Template condition is df age. If age is less than 10, so if I talk about this data set, see, if the age is less than 10, I will, and all those rows which specify this condition will be named as kid, and those who don't specify this condition, that is an inverse selection, will be named as grown-ups. How will you write the command line? tmp underscore condition is equal to df data frame square bracket into inverted comma age less than 10. So this is a condition which I have specified. Now df.loc template condition, this condition which I have specified, dot age is equal to kid. If the condition is specified, then in that row, that individual is a kid. If it is opposite or inverse of this condition, so for this I'm using, for inverse I'm using tilde. So df.loc tilde tmp underscore condition comma age, then that individual is a grown up. Shift enter, shift enter, and you can see here. Now we no longer have numeric value. See, now the numeric value has been replaced with either the individual is grown up or the kid. So this is a way you can convert the category or continuous variable into the categorical variable in Python. For more videos on data science using Python, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can refer my playlist in which I have already uploaded many videos related to data science using Python. I also uploaded various software videos which are used in data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. So kindly subscribe to my channel and please like the video.